Alright, Chef Sonny's back. Gotta bear with me. My voice is a little raspy. But according to the Facebook poll that was posted, everybody wants a good Southern soul food meal. So what's more soul food than some good smothered chicken? So let's get to that. Everything is already prepped, so it's about to move fast, and let's get busy. Alright, first thing first, we're gonna season our chicken. I got some gold medal seasoning salt. Give that a few sprinkles. Up next, some fresh cracked black pepper. Followed by about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Remember, I love the spice. And then some garlic powder, of course. And some wireless chicken cubes. It's just chicken bouillon powder for the most part. I'm gonna take that and tumble it. And get a nice coat to the chicken breast. Get those seasonings all over the chicken. Then we'll set those to the side and get ready to prepare the batter. So we're gonna take about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And we'll season it with the same seasonings and measurements as we did the chicken. Alright, let's close your bag up, give it a nice shake, get all the seasonings incorporated in there. I got a little tongue twisted, my bad. And once you got those seasonings mixed in real good, go ahead and drop those chicken thighs in the bag. And after we put them in the bag, go ahead and close that Ziploc bag up. Give them a nice shake, coat the thighs real well, and keep that flour because we're going to need it a little bit later for the gravy. In a hot pan, throw you in about 2.5, maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Oh, hey handsome, look at that guy. Lay those chicken thighs in the pan, skin side down, give them a nice sear till they're golden brown. And once you've done that, flip them over and do the same thing on the back side. When they've gotten a nice texture, you can take them out, set them to the side, and let's get ready to make this gravy. Alright, we got a mirepoix here, onions, celery, and carrots. We're gonna simmer those in the oil, fry them a little bit, and then drop in some of that flour. And let's give it a stir to coat the flour all over those veggies. And then we'll add some chicken broth. I made mine from scratch out of some old wing tips from some chicken wings that I had left over. We're going to pour that in gradually and slowly until we incorporate the entire 2 cups of chicken broth. I like to pour it, let it thicken a little bit, and then pour a little more, let it thicken, pour a little more, until I finally poured all of it into the pan. And then we'll bring it to a simmer and reduce the heat, then cover it and let that cook down and reduce till the gravy thickens. And while that's doing that, don't forget to get your refill. Oh, I love it when she talk dirty to me. Okay, back to the show. All right, now that your gravy has thickened up to the right texture that you wanted, go ahead and add those chicken thighs back to your pan. Yes, and then baste some of that gravy right over the top of those thighs. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes, and voila.